We're going to do the whole cinnamon rolls in a bread pan thing. I've greased the bread pan with a bit of cooking oil so that they don't stick. I'll squeeze them together just a bit and put them right in the center here. Now they can go into the oven. This is what they look like cooked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for probably about 25 to 30 minutes. Here's our icing, which I microwaved a little to make it easier to pour. So they're a little bit crispy on the edge over here. In the center, they're very soft. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. Don't subscribe because this is not a cooking channel, but I do appreciate you checking it out.